there, crafty friends. Happy August. Welcome into the studio. I have a really quick video today. I'm just going to introduce the templates for August. So I have some new templates for us to use and play, and I'll just tell you what August will be about in case you want to play along. So these are the templates for the Q3 kit, which is our Scratch to Stash Build-a-thon. We're building all our stash out these 3 months, July, August, September, which is Q3 of 2026. And this template kit and now over 170 papers, because I added some for August, are available in this kit. So you can get it by clicking on this QR code here or check in the description box below. But let me jump in and just show you what we're going to be doing for August. We're going to be doing belly bands and envelopes and clusters and some other fun stuff. So I'm giving you just a handful of templates that you can use. I made some unique belly bands that I thought you could cut out and use in your journals. Some of these you could just do yourself, but I figured if I gave you some templates, maybe they'd just serve as a reminder if you kept them in your digital filing cabinet. So here's what we have. This one has a belly band that you can cut out the center of and glue the top and bottom for a frame. Same here. You cut these out and put some focal points on whatever you're putting behind your belly band so it will show through. This one is a circular one, and these circles fit over. So this is the first circle, second circle, third circle, just so you know what this is about. But we'll use this one. So you can cut a focal point out with this circle and then put it on here. It's just slightly smaller, so you'll see this background piece. And then you can have different focal points, and that's a belly band. So that's the first one. Then I have some fold over belly bands. So these you would print on your papers and then cut them out, or you can use the video I gave you. It was the second video in July where I showed you how to extract these and make multiples on a page or resize them. So I'll link that video down below also, so you can check that out. But yeah, so there's different ways to use these. You can just print them over or top of your pretty paper too, and then cut them out. You can print them on the back side of your pretty paper so you don't see the lines. But if you cut so that you're inside the lines, you won't see the lines anyway. All right, anyway, these are belly bands that you cut out and then fold. So this flap will go over the belly band, and you can kind of flip it around and do it the other way. This one does the same thing. So you can put, once you fold it, you can put a focal point on your other side and then see it through the frame. So those are the belly bands. We're going to be doing envelopes. So I gave you a variety of envelope templates. So these just fold up like regular envelopes. Wherever the corners come together, you would just fold that over. So that's the first one. Here's the second one. So the flaps just all fold in like a regular envelope. These are coin envelopes. And then I just gave you some extra bits, some journal plates, some other things you could use. I wanted to fill up the space so you weren't wasting a lot of paper. These are the kind that fold in on each other. We're going to do these, so you can play along with me then. Dog hair not included. You just fold them on here, and then you kind of fit them into one another, kind of like how you would fold a moving box, you know, where you stick the flap under the other flap. That's how these work. And then I gave you some pieces. These will fit inside one of the other, and then just some tickets, again, to fill up the page. And then I did 2 of these in a smaller size with some pieces that'll fit inside them. And these can be used as closures. So those are the templates you're getting for August 2026. Again, this is free until the end of September 2026. And next month we'll be giving even more templates. So these are in the folder. And if you subscribe to get this kit today, you'll get all of the July templates, so you can go back and watch all the videos for July. They're all in a single playlist called Scratch to Stash. And that will be linked below, as well as the link to get all these. And the papers, over 170 papers are now in there. So I added 20 today for August. So you can't say you don't have paper to play with. Unless you don't have a printer, but even then you could take it to, somewhere and have it printed for you. So that's what we have for August. I hope you're excited. Let me know which of these you're most excited about in the comments below. I'm very much looking forward to doing stuff with envelopes, because not only are we going to use the templates, we're also going to make our own envelopes and use junk mail envelopes. And that's always so much fun, right? And we're going to do, things with our envelopes that make them just not envelopes. So I hope you will join me. And I'll see you there, guys. Go grab all your goodies in the folder, and all that information is in your email. So go back to the original email or go to the new email if you're just signing up. And I will see you very soon with our first video. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you soon. Bye.